Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix network lag, high ping and packet loss in Roblox. For that, first of all we need to check the server from the Roblox side. So enter into your browser and search for down detector, and once again search for Roblox. It shows there is no problem, which indicate no current problem on Roblox. That's it. The second step is to check the speed. Enter into your browser and speed test, search for speed test, and it seems to be good. And the third step is to enter into your CMD, search for CMD and type ping space google.com for your latency and packet loss to the Google server. If your ping is higher than 100 millisecond, need to do few changes, which is on the next line. IP configure slash flash DNS. Successfully flash DNS resolved the catches and exit from the CMD. And the next step is to enter into your task manager. On the task manager, just enter into performance. At the right corner three dot, just enter into resource monitor. The resource monitor shows the resources which has been background running, and on that enter into the network and end some task which is using the network, like click end process and end the task. I'm ending the task of Chrome, so which improve the speed, the network lag which might be improved. That's it. And we are going to the another steps. Just run prompt and enter control for control panel. On that enter into network, on that network and sharing center. And your network, whether maybe you are using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Check in the property. On that you had a internet protocol. Just enter into the property and punch in, use the following DNS as 888.8844 and click OK and close it. At last, restart the system. After restart, just enter into your Roblox and check whether the problem is solved. Now it seems to be no lagging. It's good. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.